Hello and welcome to Luscombe's Mitsubishi's walk around video Eclipse Cross Exceed that we have. This one's in quite an expensive colour. It's a diamond red, this one. Do actually pay extra for this one. It's four-wheel drive automatic. Got front and back parking sensors also on this one. Split tailgate there. 360-degree camera on it as well. Push button start, keyless entry. So you've got all the safety features on the car. Headlamp washers, all built-in daytime running lights as well on that one. It's our actual demonstrator, this one. So you'll have the benefit of Mitsubishi's service plan on it. So basically what that means is your first 3 years services are paid on up to 37,500 miles. Electric front seats, both heated at the front. You've got the 4 electric window switches there, and electric mirrors and retractable mirrors. Just take you inside. It's done 7,700 miles. Push button start also. So it all starts up there. Quite a lot of features in this one, with it being the Exceed, so it's the top of the range one. If you just look at the top of the dash there, press that button there, you've got a thing called HUD, which is heads up display. So what that basically does, it projects sort of like your miles an hour down a tunnel, so your eyes aren't having to refocus when you're driving, which is a really good thing. And obviously when you put your cruise control on and everything, it all comes up on there as well. It's a good little safety feature. You've got the SDA unit there, which runs Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So once you've paired your phone, it mirrors your phone up there, so you can answer your text messages, voicemails and everything. Also brings all your maps up, Google Maps up on there as well, which is a good feature. Dual side climate control, so if somebody's hot and somebody's cold, you can set different temperatures. And then obviously you've got your heated front seats there and your four-wheel drive button, which goes through a few settings like snow, mud and things like that. And you've got this little iPad scratch pad there, so which basically mirrors that up there, so you can move it, do it that way, or you can basically touch screen it up there, whichever way you want to do. Electronic handbrake with auto hold, so best hill starts you'll ever do in this one. Like I say, full leather, beautiful car. Obviously you've got a panoramic roof there, glass roof. That opens your blind and your glass, and then your back one also opens as well. Nice little feature. There's a lot more natural sunlight in. But having one at the back as well, the back passengers get it as well. You've got an auto dim mirror as well. So pretty much got everything covered. As with all Mitsubishis, it has a remainder of my 5-year warranty from date of registration. So you should be warranted up till 2024 in this one. And if you've enjoyed the video and you'd like to arrange a test drive or a viewing, by all means just give us a shout. Thank you.